Hi team, I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration today on setting up two-way and three-way switching using EYZEE smart switches. These can be purchased through EYZEE.au or smarthomesmatter.com.au. As a demonstration here, we're going to connect these three switches to act as three-way switching. At the moment, this dimmer switch is connected as a hard wire from the dimmer switch to the standard LED downlight. So we can just turn it on and off just like a normal light. This switch is not connected to anything, and this switch is not connected to anything. So we want to have this as a three-way. So what we'll do is do it through the app. So we'll just quickly jump over to the app. Just excuse me while I get myself set up here. Now this is the SmartLife app by TUYA. You can download from the Android store or from Apple. If you just search SmartLife TUYA, T-U-Y-A, you'll find it, and you can also use the TUYA app. Same app, different colours. So we start by just clicking on home to make sure we're in the right place. We select a primary switch for our, select a primary switch. In this case, we will use the dimmer switch as our primary. It doesn't matter which one you use as a primary, but we will just use the dimmer. So we'll grab that one. Go up here to the little pencil, just click on there. And then we want to scroll down and find this where it says multi-control association. We just touch on there. Now this switch has come up automatically, and that's the primary switch. This other one over here is just for the dimmer. We don't want to use that for this purpose. And the dimmer switch is already shown here as being connected to that. So we want to add another switch, so we link the switch, just touch on there. And we've got a choice of two here, so it'll always link, it'll just only pull up devices that it can link to, and all our switches will link to each other. So first we'll connect the 3-gang, and we'll use the first one on the 3-gang. Now you see that's the, it's the first one. So the 3-gang switch is showing up here. So now that one is associated with the dimmer. So we want to add a third one, and we will grab the fan light, and we want to use the light part of that. So now we've got these three are all connected in association and will all work simultaneously together. So we'll just scroll out there, there's no saving to do, it automatically saves. And we're back home where we started. Simple as that. Now I'll give you a quick demonstration of what we've just done. So you can see without touching anything else, we still have this one here which turns the power on and off as a hardwire. But at the same time it's turned this one on and it's turned this one on. So now we can go this one and turn it off, or we can turn it back on at that one. And each one will highlight the LED in the light as it's turned on and turned off. So this could be upstairs, downstairs, in the garage, wherever you want them, as long as they are in your network. And you can even go across multiple Zigbee networks if you want, but the ones that are within the same network, even if you disconnect your Zigbee hub from the Wi-Fi connection, these will still work. They will still work as a three-way. They're not requiring the internet to work, which is one of the great powerful things of a Zigbee home network. Anyway, extremely good product, best on the market as far as smart switches go, and very reasonably priced. And you can get these at EYZEE.au or at smarthomesmatter.com.au. Hope that helps explain two-way, three-way, four-way switching. Thank you.